Texas Brew Crafters is a YouTube channel about all of the great craft beer breweries in the great state of Texas. My name is Jason, been running this channel for a couple of years now, and appreciate you joining us today. Today we're going to talk about Galveston Island Brewing because they are in the middle of a construction project to expand their tap room. And I wanted to get some video footage today because guess what? Once this is all built up, you know, it's going to look totally different. So they're right next door to the Galveston Reynolds place, which is behind me right now. These guys out here are looking at me weird because I'm walking down the street talking to myself into a phone. But that's okay. I'm used to that by now. But you can see behind me all this construction going on. This was right here used to be the parking lot where that crane is right there. Crane truck, or the scoop truck. That was the parking lot there. Behind that is the fenced in area, and then this big driveway where the earth moving equipment right there. Used to just be a driveway for deliveries and whatnot, and they would go up and deliver stuff to the brewery for supplies for. But now all that's under construction. I had to park a couple places away. They do have parking just right down the road, right on the other side of Galveston Reynolds. They have a parking area, and they have signs up right now that says they're open during construction. But they have a rendering about what this will look like when it's finished. I took a picture of it the other day, and I'll impose that over the video here. They're claiming this will be done by summer of 2021. Well, it's May of 2021 right now. So this construction is going to happen really fast. My wife and I were here in Galveston in February, about 2 months ago, at the end of February, a little bit over 2 months ago. And none of this had started yet. I think they had started talking about it shortly after that, and then started the construction really quick, and they're projecting that it's going to be finished by summer. So my next trip down to Galveston will be in late August, and this all should be done by then. So I'm looking forward to recording this video of what it looks like during construction, and then recording another video when the construction is finished. So let me know what you think in the comments below, and if you've ever been to Galveston Island Brewing. Definitely my favorite brewery on the island. Granted, there's only 3 of them, but there's a lot up on the mainland, up around Dickinson and Texas City and a few places like that. Several of them are quite good and offer a good selection. But this one, I don't know. This one's just kind of close to home, so it's always been good, and really excited to see what kind of updates they are making to their tap room today.